Hello, my name's Robat and I'm the area warden for the Mawddach catchment. My day-to-day responsibilities are access work such as gates and footpath work, engagement with the communities and the public. We do work with schools and volunteer groups. But today I'll take you around with me and show you what I do for the day. Yeah, so one of my duties, especially on the weekend, is to come around the car parks of Eryri. So we're here in Tynant. So I put the weather up for the next 3 days so people can have a look at the weather, and then I check for parking tickets around the cars because the income from the parking tickets are crucial for the income for the park itself. I also go around checking for rubbish and try to talk as many people as possible just to give information and to gather information on which paths people are using and stuff. So we've come up to Panorama now to do a CAMS survey. So CAMS is our mapping software for the park to keep records of furniture on our footpaths. So stiles, gates, bridges, steps and so forth. As you can see, we've got a circular path here, and the view is quite beautiful, I must say. I've come to Warden near Mawddach to do some maintenance work on the paths. So firstly I'll be trimming this path here, which is overgrown, to keep it in tip-top condition for walkers, and then I'll be putting up a way marker to help people find their way around the forest on our lovely paths. And we engage a lot with local landowners and farmers as well, which is a key aspect really of having a healthy relationship to keep options for access available in the park.